everyone, this is Cleophie again, and for today's tutorial, it's something really quick and super easy. It's how to crochet this very simple cowl. I recommend this project when you want to whip up something quick or you have leftover yarns that you want to use. I love this cowl, I use it a lot, it warms my neck and adds a nice accent to a simple top. Now let's get started! For the materials, I use this leftover yarns that I have. This is from my poncho project, the last one that I did. So these are the leftovers. So I thought of doing something like a cowl. So this is what I'm gonna do. So this is Caron Big Cakes yarn in blue macaron color. I use size J 6mm crochet hook. We also need a blunt needle, pair of scissors, markers, and tape measure. So let's start with a knot and chain 43. This is now 43 chains. Next is row 1, double crochet in third chain from hook. So 1, 2, 3, double crochet in this stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, and in each stitch across. So repeat the pattern, double crochet in each stitch across like this. So I'm going to cut off the video and I'll be back when I'm done with the row. Now I'm done with row 1 and this is what it looks like. Row 2, from here we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, turn, skip the first stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, back loop only. So here, back loop only, double crochet in the next stitch, back loop only. So repeat this pattern, double crochet in each stitch, back loop only, across. So I'm going to cut off the video. I'll be back when I'm towards the end of the row. I'm here now towards the end of the row. I'm just going to continue with the stitch, with the pattern, double crochet, back loop only. And then end the row with one more stitch here on the top of the turning chain. So this is how to end row 2 and this is what row 2 looks like. Including the beginning chain 2 of the row, there should be 40 double crochets. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, and 40. So maintain these 40 double crochets in each row to make your cowl even. Repeat row 2 until piece measures about 24 inches or your desired measurement. So I'm going to cut off my video. I'm going to continue my work and I'll be back when I have my 24 inches to show you the next step. And this is now what my piece looks like after crocheting 24 inches. And the width of the cowl is about 12 inches. What I'm going to do next is fold this end here halfway towards the other end. So fold it halfway and it would look like this. And then attach these two edges together to form a ring using this last tail here from the last stitch of the piece, and attach the two edges using single crochet. And this is now what the piece looks like after the two edges are attached together. See, I use single crochet to sew them together and it looked like this. So weave the ends, clean up the tails, and it's done! And this is now what the cowl looks like, all cleaned up and all done. So right here, and then you would wear it this way. Insert it on through your head. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video and please subscribe.